In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Pragmata to enhance gameplay. Check my video description for this fluffy mod manager download link and download this reframework and select this link and download this OptiScaler and the final download this script core. Select the manual download option. Once you download all these, right click on fluffy mod manager and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mod manager. Press enter. Open the mod manager and drop all these files inside. Once you're done, just go back. Now open this reframework. Drag and drop this input 8.dll inside of a game folder. And then open this OptiScaler. Drag and drop this OptiScaler.dll into desktop. And check my video description for this text. Copy this text. I click on the OptiScaler and select rename and paste this name and press enter. Drag and drop this DLL inside of a game folder. Once you're done, open the mod manager folder. Open mod manager.exe. Choose game. Select any one of these games and choose game folder. Choose the game install folder. Select any of these folder and select folder option. And now select this downloads. Update to the latest fluffy mod manager. Wait for this to done. Press any key to continue. Now open the mod manager.exe and choose game. Sorry, you need to select choose game and scroll down and find the Pragmata. Choose game folder, choose the game install folder, navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. And now select this mod list. Go back to downloads. Drag and drop this script core mod inside. Just turn it on. We have successfully installed all basic mods for Pragmata. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this black space suit. This is gonna change the suit to black. Download the mod you like. I have already downloaded this. Just drag and drop the RAR file inside this mod manager. Then on the mod, if you want to uninstall, then select this trash icon. If you want to disable, just turn it off. Now we have successfully installed the mod. Launch the game. In starting of the game, you will get this error, the procedure entry point. Click on OK. Just ignore this. Once you are in game, as you can see, the mod is working. The suit color has changed to black. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.